Good morning students. Today I am going to discuss about the topic called features of a good program. So let's start with it. A computer program that gives the desired output, runs faster, takes less time to develop and is easy in maintaining is termed as a good program. Following are the features of a good program. These are modularity, effectiveness and efficiency, user-friendly, security, reliability, robustness and portability. I shall be discussing each of these in detail from the next slide. The first feature of a good program is modularity. Modularization is the process of dividing a big or a complex problem or a task into smaller subproblems or subtasks. These smaller subtasks are then developed individually and then integrated together to get the complete solution. Now, if you take the case of a real-life problem such as the railway reservation system, the entire railway reservation system is divided into different modules, such as the modules connected with the passenger details, the modules connected with the availability of seats and tickets, and the modules connected with the ticket fares and concessions. So each of these modules have to be developed individually and then they should be integrated together to get the complete solution of the railway reservation system. So that's a perfect example of how modularity works in a system. The next feature of a good program is effectiveness and efficiency. The capability of a program to give correct and desired output is termed as effectiveness and efficiency of a program. Humans uses computer to save time, effort and avoid mistakes. Therefore, a program executed in a computer should respond quickly and give the correct output. And that will show the effectiveness and efficiency of a program executed in a computer. The next feature of a good program is user-friendly. The user interface of the program should be simple enough so that user can operate on it with minimum number of training or learning curve. Okay. So any good program should have an interface that should be simple enough and user-friendly so that any user can operate on it very easily with minimum of training or learning curve. Programs can be designed with graphical user interface where many tools shall be available to the user in the form of graphical controls. But programs designed with the command user interface has to be typed by the user without making the use of graphical controls. Now, the programs with the graphical user interface are more user-friendly than the programs with the command user interface. One common example of program developed in a graphical user interface is the Java programs that we are developing using the NetBeans IDE. If you look at the NetBeans IDE, there are many graphical controls such as the text boxes, combo boxes, checkboxes, radio buttons, text area control, etc. So that makes the programs with the graphical user interface as user-friendly. The next feature of a good program is security. A computer application is used to maintain vital information of business transactions. There should be proper security measures implemented in the programs to secure the data from unauthorized access. Having username and password validation method is one of the commonly used security mechanisms in computer applications. Now say for example, you have a mobile banking app installed in your smartphone. And if you want to perform any type of monetary transaction using that mobile banking app, you have to first log in into that app using valid username and password. So in that case, the username and password becomes a validation method which shall give you access to log in into the mobile banking app so that you can perform any type of monetary transactions such as transferring funds to any beneficiary or a third party. The next feature of a good program is reliability. The reliability of a program is referred to its availability to users as and when required. So a program developed is said to be reliable. A program developed is said to be reliable enough if it is available to the users whenever they require it. The next feature of a good program is robustness. The capability of a program to handle the abnormal situation in runtime is referred to as robustness. A program should be robust enough to handle the exceptions or the errors caused during the runtime. So any program that you design and develop should be able to overcome any sort of exceptions or errors when you run the program. And then only the program that you have designed and developed will be considered robust enough to handle any sort of abnormal situations. The next feature of a good program is portability. The capability of a program to run on different platforms is called portability. The programs developed in Java programming language run on different platforms as Java is a portable programming language. Say for example, if you have developed programs using the Java programming language in a platform such as the Windows 7 operating system, it should also be able to run on a different platform such as the Windows 8, Windows 10 operating system or the Linux operating system. And since the programs developed in a Java programming language can run on different platforms such as Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Linux, the Mac operating system, the Unix operating system, that's why Java is considered as a portable programming language. So I hope that is clear. And with this I end my presentation here.